Possibly the scariest Ring doorbell footage you will ever see. In the middle of the night, a homeowner gets an alert on his Ring doorbell that something is outside. When he views the footage, he sees this. When you take a closer look, you can clearly see a ghostly figure crawling along the sidewalk.
Would wake up to a notification on his phone telling him motion was detected at his front door. And after reviewing the footage, this is what he found. There was an old woman with a knife just standing at his front door, constantly shifting her body weight from side to side. The woman can be seen awkwardly holding and looking at the knife, as well as constantly glancing all around her. After a few more seconds, the woman finally attempts to ring the doorbell, but seemingly can't bring herself to do it for whatever reason. And after 2 minutes of footage, it cuts off. It's still unclear who this woman was, or what caused her to walk up to a stranger's front door wielding a knife.
What the hell is going on? Told you I saw something out here. But it's inside now. Tap it on the window out. There.
Yeah.
Top window.
Yeah.
Bottom window. Bottom window.
I can only see it on your phone.
What the hell does its face look like? Oh, man, it disappeared. Bottom window.
I can only see it on your phone.
What the hell does its face look like? Oh, man, it disappeared. Top window. Right.
Oh my god.
What the hell is it? Can I zoom in on this?
Oh. Gone.
Bottom window. What the hell is going on?
You're just going through the floor or something.
Oh my god, fuck me.
20. A resident in California captured this mysterious footage on their doorbell camera. It appears to show a group of glowing orbs. As they fly across the path, more join them. The strange lights then seem to fly back together. They hover around each other and fly in unison for quite some time. But what are these mysterious objects? Is it just a natural phenomenon? Or perhaps a simple trick of the light? Many believe they could have something to do with the paranormal, whilst others think it may just be an elaborate prank. They continue to float around for some time, getting closer to the camera, before finally flying away out of sight.
notification that there was someone at my door last night. As I opened the video app, it was just my daughter coming home. I was about to close the video app and then something caught my eye and I'm wondering, what the heck was that? So I zoomed in, I slowed the video right down, and oh my God, what is it? What is that?
Footage right here literally is the reason I never ever want to leave my house again. Me and my husband don't really get out much together, so we hired a babysitter and went out to dinner. And my phone had an alert, and this is what we saw on the doorbell. We called our babysitter and told her to go into the master bedroom and lock herself in the bathroom. Told her basically nothing's wrong, just a precaution. And we left the restaurant and came right home. But on the way home, of course, I'm watching this. God, I don't know what was said. The whole video recorded as white noise. But clearly she has something in her hands and it looks like a baby. And there's a storm outside. I don't know what her intentions were until we saw what she did at the end. But before that, she's just staring up into the sky. There was no rain. It was just thunder and lightning, constant. I had the babysitter on speakerphone on the way home while I'm watching this happen. We tried to reassure her and let her know that the police are on their way. It won't be too long. What I saw next made my heart drop. The thing we can see her holding here that looks like a baby was a doll. She must have been using it as a...
First at 6, a violent break and caught on camera. A man busts through a front door to get inside. Police say he's responsible for a series of home break-ins.
Eyewitness News reporter Vanessa Croy spoke with neighbors on the southeast side who say they're not going to let this burglar get away.
Police say a man broke into at least 5 houses this morning, and one of the homeowners pulled out a gun and fired at him. Well, he got away, but neighbors say they chased him down until police arrived to help.
A home surveillance camera captured the moment
a man smashed his way into this Southeast Side home. Police say that's just one of at least 5 houses the man is accused of forcing his way into. It all started this morning when police say a car went off the road off Adair Bluffs near South W.W. White. A few minutes later, they started getting calls reporting break-ins.
Just heard 2 large thumps in my backyard.
This neighbor said his house was almost a target.
And then I yelled, and then he jumped the fence, and then he started his escapades down the neighborhood.
In one of those homes, police say the suspect went through a bedroom window and woke up the homeowner. A fight ensued, and the 71-year-old homeowner pulled out a gun and shot at the suspect multiple times. Police say that suspect wasn't hit, but he grabbed the gun away from the homeowner and hit him several times. Then he ran away.
Chased him down that way.
But neighbors didn't let him get too far.
The whole neighborhood got involved and just kind of tracked him down.
The homeowner was taken to the hospital, and police arrested the 26-year-old suspect. He's charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. But neighbors say, in this area, the man's violent burglary spree is rare.
It's quiet, man. Quiet neighborhood.
Vanessa Croy, KENS 5, Eyewitness.
Imagine getting a notification on your Ring doorbell and you hear this. Many believe it's a spirit trying to communicate. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.
Human were never meant to see.
Somebody's chasing me! Somebody's chasing me! Stop it! Stop it! He's coming after me! Oh my god! Shut the door! Dad, shut the door, please! Please shut the door! Shut the door! Please! Something big was chasing me!
Come here! Come here! Come here! Oh, shit! What the fuck? What do you mean?
I don't know.
It's okay. It's okay. It's alright, sweetheart.
Please.
What do you mean?
Shut the door. Lock it.
I haven't locked it.
Please lock it.
I'm gonna go out.
No, don't go out. Please. Don't go out. Don't go out. Please don't go out. Please.
What was it?
I don't know. I couldn't see anything. I just heard it was chasing me. Please don't go out. Please don't go out.
Fine.
You know, please don't go out.
It's gonna be the
No, Dad, please. Please don't go out. Please don't go out.
Nothing there.
Please don't go out. Please.
It's okay. Dog. That's a dog pee. Hold up. Yeah, no. No.
2013, 3 CCTV cameras in Bogota, Colombia, caught a video of a woman disappearing suddenly. Looking at the clip, you can see a woman standing on the side of the road, wearing what seems to be an old maid outfit. Experts say the outfit was famous more than 100 years ago in the area. The woman walks a few steps, then pauses, then walks a few steps more before pausing again. Each of the 3 cameras captures her irregular walking pattern, but she seems to have vanished into thin air when she reaches the end of the road. A local news television investigated the clip, and it even got a priest involved to see his opinions on the strange phenomenon. Some say the woman is a ghost, while some went as far as to say she's a time traveler. Many paranormal experts believe that children can see stuff like the dead that adults cannot, and according to this TikTok by Ashley is a Mexican, that might indeed be true. In this video, a mother takes out her camera and begins recording her toddler when he makes a startling statement that a girl is out there in a specific tree.
You can see somebody?
Yeah.
Are you sure? I don't see anybody, honey.
I see a girl.
You see a girl?
Yeah.
Upon further questioning, he adds that the girl in the tree is dead.
What's she doing?
They tell me. Dad.
The mother, who is now scared and concerned, points her camera at the tree to show there is nothing there.
There's a dead girl in the tree, baby. There's nothing in the tree.
Despite the mother telling the toddler there is no girl, the boy insists that there is, in fact, a dead girl on the tree.
It's not yet, but it's still dead.
Some kids can be imaginative and have imaginary friends. At least, that's what the parents think. The fact that the boy sees a dead girl in a tree but points her out in curiosity instead of fear is still quite a...
Easily one of the weirdest videos I've ever seen. Check out this guy talking to no one.
Dispatch to 329.
329, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to a lady. I saw her walking by the store and she said she's looking for Mr. Griffin. Her name is Miss Abigail.
Did you say Miss Abigail?
Yes, ma'am. She says she wants to see Mr. Griffin, and I told her that the canvas is closed, that she should come tomorrow morning, and she might see Mr. Griffin.
Are you sure you're saying Miss Abigail? Like, she's been passed on for 2 years now.
Come again with that, please?
Miss Abigail is, she died 2 years ago.
You mean you can't see the person I'm talking to?
No, there's nobody in front of you at all.
Imagine relaxing at home, and suddenly you hear scratching at your window and a haunting voice saying, "Let me in." This family faced that terrifying reality in the woods, and the figure appeared outside a second-story window. A quiet night in the woods quickly became a nightmare for this family when they heard strange scratching at their window. Then came the chilling voice, "Let me in." But here's the twist. The figure was spotted outside a second-story window, leaving everyone wondering how it got there. Some think it's a skinwalker, others a prank. But the cracked window and eerie persistence have sparked debate. One thing's clear. This isn't your ordinary intruder. Would you stay and investigate, or pack up and leave immediately? Something most wouldn't survive without a ladder. Was it a skinwalker, a desperate prank, or something even more sinister? The comments are split. Some say it's time to call 911, while others joke it's grandma. But with the cracked window left as an entry point, this is one encounter you wouldn't want to risk. What would you do?